That's kind of selfish, but at least I'll be able to like give all this stuff away for free. Because honestly, I don't even want to deal with like organizing like certain stuff and then cleaning certain stuff. Like I rather, well, I don't have to clean it regardless, but I rather just clean it and then just give it away for free because I don't want to get like bothered with low balls and stuff like that. But just, yeah, all my boxes are just damaged. Like I don't want to sell with no box. Like this is just insane. So I'm probably just gonna have like a whole nother day dedicated. Like, oh yeah, this is bad. You can see, oh yeah, that's insane. Like I don't want to sell that to somebody. What I'm probably gonna do is just I'm gonna have another day just dedicated just cleaning everything, organizing so I'm gonna clean this out first, and then I'm going to organize it, and then once I figure out what's what and what needs to be done with certain pairs, I'll just clean them off, organize them, and then figure out a way to give them away for free. So if y'all have any ideas on what I should do to a good way to give them out free, comment down in the video in the comment section, because I just don't want to sell these. That's just not right. That's selfish. So if you guys have any ideas for me to give away all these shoes, obviously that you see in every size, like from 4 to 14, so just let me know because your size is definitely in here. So I think we're gonna end the video here. If y'all want to see maybe I guess a part 2 of how I clean this, how I decide to organize and pick what I'm gonna give away free, let me know that as well. But that's it for the